Beautiful people, it's me, Pamela, on my YouTube. Cho, no, what's the T? Siyahlazia. Kindinda must just be arrested, guys. Yena and his entourage. Hayi, boba tabajani laba guys obukhani. No mukhola, no mapena. I'm just like, really, you know what actually made me laugh even more when he said, Mr. Zondo shoes, ukuthi wangithengele KFC umokani ngayithatha ngayilahlela ngewindi. I was just like, wamenza kahle. What does he take you for? After you were arrested for 2 days in Yeoville, some prison ongayazi ususwele some cells actually in Yeoville because it's a police station, I guess. From Marikan uyong bophele into engayazi, and then you must force me to combat untanzi for nothing, and then you arrest me for nothing. Guys, like how I'm putting it to what happened there was that he was just like abantu banganongoma ndizobahlanganisa nabo mahlabathini abantu abayi-1. Families, I'm still repeating. I don't know how he sleeps at night. I don't know how he did this. He's like crazy, this guy. He must just be arrested, this guy. You see how Shoes was explaining in Sugutu, what to Prikatiakin, I will flash you in the toilet. What do you mean? What's in getting gizo? I want Prikatiakin actually to rot in jail. Guys, I want to do Prikatiakin in the shame entourage and you know what was crazy about them? I go to guys, like honestly, what are we doing? All of you are gonna be arrested and we're gonna make sure you are arrested. It doesn't matter how long it takes for that entourage to be arrested. All of them, including Jonathan Nepisi, Faguntan Zimpam. Oh my gosh, I was just like, guys. Wow. And there are stories almost the same, just the plastic is not the truest one, this one. But it looks like it was huge then, this plastic, if it's more than 2 rulers. Because he was just like, like, I'm like, guys, okay, in the house, do they sleep at night? But things are closing in, this guy is exposing Balo is just like my career stand, bro. Like, what must happen? So much money that I'm being paid here. Ngifanele manje mina ngilempilope ngingasayithola ngenxa yalozondo ngamaZulu shoes ingazi uqhamuke from which world, and ngambona uRamosipili ukuthi yazi confident kanti uzobhela Lando shoes athi ke mina ngizokubonisa ke she state ke at the time. It's just like okay, I'll show them who I am. And there's Ramosipili, guys, he's doing so well. Yabona today he gets flowers.
Did they tell you the reason for taking you away or arresting you at your place?
Manje ke ngale ngathi ke umsemohane etheke bafuna ukukubuza imibuzo uya wakutshela ke isizathu noma izizathu zokuthi ke bakubuzela ini futhi ke bakuyisa kuphi?
Akaze bengibuza.
No, they did not ask, neither did they tell me, my lord.
Are you saying to this court that you were never told of the reason why you were escorted from your place of residence on that day in June 2020?
Uthi la inkantolo ke awuzange utshelwe ke isizathu sokuthi ke uthathe la uhlala khona ke ngoJune 2020.
Kusenkantolo bengiselapha engenini emotweni.
My lord, I was still at the point where I was still telling the court when I was going to the cars, going inside the cars.
Yes, we are coming there, but in the house, were you told of the reason why, except the police saying we want to question you? Did they tell you why? That's what I want to.
My lord, the way things were happening, that did not happen.
Now, what transpired when you were taken to the motor vehicles?
Manje ke kwenzakaleni ngale ngathi ke soyiswa ke emotweni.
When
I got to the car, I was instructed to bring my hands backwards or at the back.
What then happened?
I asked them if I am being arrested and the reason for my arrest.
And what were you told?
Their reason was that I visit my PISA at the prison and I also bring him toiletries.
And who exactly was saying that you visit my PISA in prison and you were bringing in toiletries for him?
It was Mohan.
And what was your response to what Mohani was telling you?
Manje ke wena impendulo yakho kuloko umogala kushilo ke uye wathini?
Ngathi mina ngikwazi lokho umaphisa ngibani ukuthi bosheliphi.
Ngicela uphinde futhi.
Ngathi mina ngikwazi lokho umaphisa ngazi ukuthi bosheliphi.
Boshelephi?
Yeah, boshelwe kuphi.
Okay. My Lord, I then said to him that I don't know anything about that and I don't even know where Mapisa is.
And what happened after you gave that response?
Kwasekwenzakala nemva ukuthi unikeze leyo mpendulo.
Ngaleso sikhathi simila ngangena emotweni kodwa sengifasiwe zankosi.
At that time, my Lord, I was still outside the motor vehicle. However, my hands were cuffed.
For the record, how were your hands cuffed? Was it in front of you or at the back?
Manje ke izandla zakho ngezankosi ziboshwe ngaphambili noma ke ziswe ngasemuva?
Boshwe ngemuva.
At the back.
What happened after you were handcuffed at the back?
Manje iva ukuthi manje ke izankosi zifake izandla zakho ngasemuva kwasokwenzakalani?
Bathi ngiphikisa amakhamera, ngiphikisa iregister ene-ID number yami ukuzovashela Maphisa.
They said I am disputing what the cameras show and also the register indicates.
And did you respond to that?
Uye wakuphendula lokho?
Ngathi angikwazi lokho.
I said I don't know anything about that.
Then what happened?
Kwasokwenzakalani?
Base bethi asambe ngoba uphikisa imishini yabelungu. Uhambe uyoyibona.
They said I should follow them since I am disputing technology so that I can see for myself.
And what happened after that, Mr. Zondo?
Kwasokwenzakalani emva kwalokho?
Ilapho inkosi enkantolo engavuma khona ukungena emotweni kuhlala.
That is when, my Lord, I agreed to go inside the motor vehicle and sat.
In which car were you placed on that day?
Manje ke wena ke ubufakwe kwiphi imoto ke ngalelo suku?
Lezi moto ezimhlophe ezivulwa ngapha emaceleni ithiza VW uma ngaqaphelanga kahle.
It's a VW made, my Lord. It opens on both sides. It
Okay.
has doors on both sides.
And did you say what the color was?
It's white, sorry, my Lord.
Now, in that car, how many people were in that car as you were placed in it?
Manje ke kuleyo moto leyo ke bekunabantu abangaki ngalenkathi sekufakwa wena kuyo?
Kwakudriver uMohari, uMabhena, laba u2 angisakhumbuli kahle ukuthi konje kwangobani. Bebonke babe bawu4 ngudriver wa43 angihlena.
My Lord, it was the driver, Mohane, and also Mabena, and there were other two whom I don't remember their names. So altogether, there were 4, that's including the driver.
So, including yourself, there were 5 people in that car. Is that correct?
Manje masifaka ngawe ke kuba abantu abayi5.
Yes, good.
Yes, my Lord.
Tell me the sitting arrangements in that motor vehicle. Where were you sitting? Where were you placed? Where was Mohani placed? And where were the rest of the people that you found sitting in that car?
Sitshele ke ukuthi ke benihleli njani kuleya moto, ubehleliphi ke uMohane, wena ubuhleliphi, abanye abantu bebehleliphi lapha phakathi lapha kuleya moto?
uMohari bedriver imoto.
Mohane was the driver.
uMabhena ehlala emuva kwe-city lama-city akwi-front la ngemuva ihlezi la kuhlala khona nakhoza ehlele efese mina kanje mina ngihlezi e-city
Ehlezi kuphi?
ebona emva kwemonto ebona i-city khona le ndawo le engena-city nje ube uyikhwama uMahani behleli lapho abhekene nami kanje.
Okay. Mohane was the driver, my Lord, and then Mabena was seated just behind, but not on the seat, on that engine thing. They normally put luggages when people are traveling, and he was facing me.
Okay. And what happened then after you were placed in that car with those people? Did the car leave the precinct where you lived?
Can I get the last statement?
Did the car leave the precinct or the area where he lived?
Manje ke emva kokuthi ufakwe emotweni ke imoto ke iyasuka lapho uhlala khona.
Yes, good.
Yes, my Lord, it did.
And in which direction did that car travel?
Manje ke le moto ke mase isuka la uhlala khona ke iyahamba ke ngedirection yiphi? Iya kuphi?
Ihamba ngedirection eyongena u-freeway u-N4.
It took the N4 freeway direction.
And describe from there, Mr. Zondo, uninterrupted, what then transpired.
Kwasekwenzakalani? Qhubekela phambili.
Okay, Nkosi enkantolo masifika la eduze toll gate. I think ngo-2020 ibe u-5 rand la toll gate.
Matsava. My Lord, when we got closer to the toll gates, I think around 2020, the fee payable at that toll gate was 5 rand.
Yes, iyazama ngapha imoto ngale kwelayini oyelo zama eceleni.
The cars
before
now,
we toll gate.
okay, the cars now stopped on the yellow line on the side before the toll gate.
So sorry to disturb, for clarity's sake, which toll gate are you referring to on the N4, Mr. Zondo?
Manje ke toll gate lokhuma ngayo lapha e-N4 Mzanzonto.
Ile masuke eMarikani straight nje. kule town yakhona encane uza straight uzongena ku-freeway uzobamba i-N4 khona ukuthi ukhethe lapho nje.
Use the toll gate for Marikana. When you're using that Marikana road straight to join the N4, there's a toll gate on the side.
And the other cars that were present at the scene of your arrest, what happened to them?
Manje ke lezi ezinye imoto lezi ke sikhona la waboshelwa khona zigcine kwenzakaleni ngazo.
Sigcine ilandelana Nkosi enkantolo masifika lapha zama zonke.
The cars were following each other. When we got to that point, all cars stopped.
What happened at that stop point, Mr. Zondo?
Manje ke masezimile zonke lapha basekwenzakalani.
Lezi ke zo-2 zabheka le zongena u-freeway oye-Rustenburg bephethe amabhara ibhame enkulu.
Okay, the other 2 cars which had the officers that were carrying a long firearm went to Rustenburg.
And what happened?
Basekwenzakalani.
Sahamba ke thina ke sangena ku-toll gate sangena kwi-freeway.
We then proceeded to the toll gate and then joined the freeway.
And in which direction did you head?
Benihamba ngiphi direction
Direction ebheke ePitoli.
facing Pretoria.
And then explain from there what then transpired, Mr. Zondo.
Sitshele ke suka lapho kwasekwenzakalani njani njani.
Nkosi enkantolo mayisuka lapho uMabhena akhiphe uplastiki wawunamabhuku.
Matang. Hey, my lord, from there, Mabena then now took out a plastic which had books inside.
Do you know where he retrieved that plastic bag from?
Keep a plastic, Mabena.
Yayikhona emotweni kodwa yayinemabhuku phakathi yayikhona emotweni.
It was inside the car, however, it contained books inside.
And proceed from there, what then happened?
Kwasekwenzakalani.
Wathi kimi yabona wena kudala sisutha ungqondo wegebengu uzokhipha iqiniso namhlanje.
And then he said, you see, we've heard about you that you are the mastermind of criminals today.
Bathi today namhlanje ngizokhuluma iqiniso.
And then he said, today I will tell them the truth.
And did you respond to what Mabena was telling you?
Wena ke uyakuphendula lokho Mabena akutshela khona.
Ngiyamphindula Mabena ubugebengu bani ngicabanga.
Yes, I did respond, my lord, by asking him a question that, what do you mean about criminality at my age?
Okay, proceed from there. What then happened?
Kwasekwenzakalani.
After that base bengifaka uplastiki base ubopha ngapha.
After that, they then put a plastic on me and then tied it on the side.
Who put that plastic bag over your head and tied it on the side?
Ubani ke ufake leyo plastic leyo ke ekhanda lakho ke waseyibopha ke eceleni.
Mabhena.
It's Mabena.
And what happened? Did he say, sorry, before he put it over your head and said that you are the masterminds of masterminds, you are going to tell the truth today? As the plastic bag is held tightly over your head and squeezed on the side, did he say anything?
Manje ke emva kokuthi akashilo ukuthi ngqondo manje wafaka leyo plastic leyo ke waseyibopha ke eceleni khona kushilo.
Wathi uma sengifuna ukukhuluma ngiyothi inhloko.
He then said, when I am ready to talk, I will have to indicate by shaking my head.
And what happened then?
Kwasekwenzakalani.
Nangempela ngezwe ukuthi akuphileki manje lapho ngisaphefumuleki. Ngagcina ngayithi inhloko.
Yes, and since I was now suffocated, my lord, I then shook my head.
What happened when you shook your head?
Kwasekwenzakalani ke maso uthi ikhanda lakho nyakaza inhloko yakho.
Wase ukhumula ngendlela ayesho ngawe sethi ke khuluma. Ngathi Mabhena ngiyabona ukuthi angibulala.
And then he then loosened the plastic bag and then said to me, talk. I said to him, but Mabena, can you see that you are killing me?
But when that is said to you, that talk, and then you respond in the manner that you responded, was the plastic bag still over your head, loosened, or was it completely removed?
Manje ke ngale nkathi ke ethi ke khuluma ke le plastic bag sesekhanda lakho ikhumuliwe noma ke ikhishiwe nje yonke.
No, ikhiphile nje kanje ukuthi ngiphefumule not to keep yonke.
Yes, he slightly raised the plastic bag so that I would be able to breathe, not that he had completely removed it.
And what happened when it was partially removed, the plastic bag over your head?
Manje ke ngale nkathi ke ikhishiwe kancane ke kwasekwenzakalani.
Wathi wena manje ufuna ukukhuluma. Singikhuluma isibathi ngibulala. Wathi wena even umuntu wakhe emnyama iRanex.
And then he said, oh, even now you don't want to talk. Kukhumenda ukubulala utheni lapho?
I
said to him, it is better for them, my lord, to kill me than for them to torture me this way. He then asked of my car, the black Ranex, of its whereabouts.
And you preferred a response to that. What then happened? Did you prefer a response to that?
Yes, I did respond to that.
After the response you'd given to him, what then happened?
He did the same thing again of putting the plastic and tying it, my lord.
And then What happened thereafter?
Sekwenzakalani emva kwalokho?
Imzuzu embalwa esangifakile aphinde nganika ikhanda.
A few minutes after the plastic was on my head, my lord, I then shook my head again.
And what happened when you shook your head for the second time?
Sekwenzakalani ke masonika ikhanda?
Ewangigaqa plastic.
He untied the plastic.
What then transpired?
Sekwenzakalani?
Ngathi ngicela uzakho sabakhiphe ngapha ababuyisele ngaphambili.
I requested that they remove the handcuffs from the back and then they handcuff me from the front since they are hitting me.
And did they accede to your... Well, Mr. Zondo, before we adjourned, you testified about a document that you were handed up at Yeoville police station, and that when you went to the cells, some inmates read it and told you that the charges you were facing were that of murder. Is that correct?
Mnumzane Zondo, ngaphambi ukusambisela nshina ngithi uyakhumbula uye wathola ufakazi la enkantolo yemalana nephepha leli walithola ke lapha eYeoville waphinde wasithi futhi ngale nkathi ufika lapha eYeoville police station abanye ke laba ngaphakathi ke baye bakufundela iphepha lelo bathi ke iphepha leli ibhala ukuthi ke icala lokubulala usakhumbula usho lokho? Yes, I do recall that.
Now, who handed you that document? Was it the police officers that transported you to Yeoville, that is Mabena Mokhane, and the other police officers, or was it the police officers at Yeoville police station?
Manje ke uba Mnumzane Zondo wakunikeza ke lamaphepha okhuluma ngawo ke yini amaphoyisa lawa ke akuthatha kwise Yeoville police station sikhuluma ngayo Mabena nabo Mokhane noma ke wanikezwa ke lamaphoyisa lapha eYeoville police station?
Police station.
The document was given to me by the police officer on uniform at Yeoville police station.
Did that police officer explain to you what that document was?
Manje ke le phoyisa leli ke elakunikeza le phepha lilachazela ukuthi ke le phepha lelingani? No explanation was given.
Did that document have a case number on it?
Manje ke lona le phepha okhuluma nalo belinayo case number?
Yes, benayo case number.
Yes, it had a case number.
And did you sign that document?
Manje ke le phepha lona likhuluma ngalo you sign?
Yes,
I did.
And just for clarification, it is your testimony that when you signed that document, you were of the belief that you were signing for your property as somebody that is now being arrested and your property was taken from you. Is that correct?
Uthi ke ngale ngathi ke usayinda lamaphepha wena ngokuya ngawe noma ke ngokucabanga noma ngikwazi kwakho nokucabanga ukuthi usayinela izinto zakho lezi ke njengomuntu obushiwe esithathiwe. Yes, that is correct, my lord.
Now, on the day you were detained and arrested in Yeoville SAPS, did you have any other contact with the police officers that arrested you?
Manje ke ngale nkathi lapha eYeoville emaphoyiseni ke uye waqhumana futhi noma ke wakhuluma ke namaphoyisa lawa akubopha la kuthatha.
Ngesikhathi ngaphakathi bafikile ngo-12 ebusuku bazongikhipha sawungena kwenye room.
Okay. Yes, when I was at Yeoville at 12 midnight, those police officers came, took me to another room.
Elaborate step by step what happened from the time you are removed from the holding cells until you are taken to that particular room.
Sicela usitshele ke okwenzekile konke ke ngale ngathi ke ususwa kulela room okulo uyisa kulinye room kwenzakaleni?
Inkosi enkantolo okwenzakalayo mangikhishwa ngabe ngihamba ngeimoto ngiyendaweni lendawo ngoba kusebusuku kodwa mangithi ngiyibheka mihle ngqondo ungathi kwakuseBosberg.
My lord, when I was taken from the cells taken to another place which is unknown to me, however, if I have to use my imagination, it looked like a place in Boksburg.
Who removed you from the cells?
Ubani ukususa emaseleni?
Ngakhishwa amaphoyisa mangifika ngaphandle khona umkhari khona hamba nabo.
It was the police officers who removed me from the cells. However, when I got inside there, it was Mokhane and others.
Was Mokhane driving the same vehicle that was used in your arrest earlier at Marikana Vanderkop?
Manje ke uMokhane ke ubesahamba ngayo le moto le bekayisebenzisa ngaphambilini ngale nkathi ke bekuthatha lapha eMarikana.
Angisekho sure ngoba kwakusebusuku bezongithatha.
My lord,
nami vele ngasengiphazamisekile.
I am not sure since it was at night when they came to fetch me and I was confused by then.
And what transpired at the place that you were taken at, that you say perhaps it may be Boksburg?
Manje ke kwasekwenzakalani ke masifika kule ndawo le uthi ke mayibheka namehlo engqondo ke ngathi Boksburg.
Masifika lapha nasame endaweni engathi isa duzane engathi neshed mara ngathi sayame endaweni yakisability. So masifika lapha by 5 ibona.
When we got to that place, the place looked like it has a shade, and it was just attached to a building or something like that, and 5 of them.
And elaborate, when you say 5 of them, who are you referring to?
Altogether by 5 ke khuluma ngobani?
KwakuGininza, umama Mfundisi, uNyende, laba u2 angisakhumbuli kahle.
Okay. It was Gininda, Mamfundisi, Nyende, and the other two I don't recall well who they were.
Now, the names that you specifically mentioned, Gininda, Mamfundisi, and Yende, did they specifically introduce themselves to you using those names?
Manje ke lamagama amathathu ke abantu babizile ubize uGininda wabiza uMamfundisi wabiza uNyende ke uthi ke umbuzo ke labantu abathathu baye bazichaza bakunika lamagama ukuthi yibona labo bantu.
Umamfundisi wayebiza uGininda. Umamfundisi angilaleli masixoxa la ngoba sathi uma sixoxa bengakhulumi nami bexoxa bebodwa.
Okay,
macibizana bona.
Okay, Gininda called Mamfundisi. There was a point whereby we had stopped and they were just talking amongst each other, and Gininda called Mamfundisi.
And then the name Gininda, where did you get it from?
Manje leli lika Gininda wona uthole
Babebizana bodwa khona la.
they were calling each other where we were.
And then the other two, is it inclusive of the driver, Mohane, who picked you up from the cells in Yeoville?
Manje laba babili abanye lokho mangabo ke noMohane omunye wabo noma
Umkhare ngaphandle kwaMkhare. Umkhare ungomunye wabo mari bayithula bomkhare ngangimasi wayodrive.
Mohane was the driver and I knew him, but these other two are the ones that I'm not sure of.
The other two, were they male or female police officers?
Manje laba abanye ababili ke bekwamaphoyisa ke sifazana nomesilisa.
Besilisa.
They were male officers.
Describe to the Honorable Court what then transpired at that area where you were taken.
Manje ke chazela ke inkantolo ukuthi ke kuye kwenzakalani ke manifika kule ndawo le uthi ke wathathwa wayiswa kuyona.
Kule ndawo lena igama lokuqala alikhuluma uGininda kimi. Wathi shoes if ungakhulumi iqiniso ngoba linjalo ngizakufrasha le toilet. Understand ukuthi yes.
The first words that Gininda uttered to me was, shoes, if you are not going to tell the whole truth, I'm going to flush you in the toilet.
Did he say those exact same words or something to that effect?
Ushe ngola amagama washoyo manje noma ukhulume inkulumo ecisifana naloko kushoyo manje.
Usho lamagama nje sekule ngakhuluma.
Exactly the way I'm saying it before the court.
And what then happened?
Bese kwenzakalani?
Ngaba nombuzo lapha nti usho ukuthini ukuthi uzongifrasha le toilet.
I then had a question posed to him and asked him, what exactly do you mean when you say you are going to flush me in the toilet?
Did he respond to that, Gininda?
uGininda uye waphendula ke lo mbuzo wakho.
Wathi uzongibopha ngaphinde ngiphume ejele.
He said he was going to arrest me and I'll never see the daylight again.
What then transpired after that?
Bese kwenzakalani emva kwalokho?
Emva kwalokho ngoba kubanda kusebusika. Singene emotweni futhi sahamba kule ndawo.
Because it was winter and it was cold, we then returned back to the motor vehicle.
And upon return to the motor vehicle, did they take you somewhere else?
Uma ke seniphindele ke emotweni ke baye bathatha bawisa kwenye indawo futhi.
Angithemba ngisengiyebo.
Yes, they did.
Where were you taken?
Yeoville skis.
Back to Yeoville.
And at Yeoville, what then transpired?
Manje ke mase nifike Yeoville ke kwase kwenzakalani?
Masifike Yeoville yazi lapha engasakhumbuli khona or bangibusele stocksini or ngalesikhathi sebengibhalisa statement endlini eyayinetafula kanje.